Welcome to Vskills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the top interview questions for environment law. So, let's get started. Question number 1. What does 3 Mile Island refers to? The answer is, 3 Mile Island refers to radioactive pollution. Question number 2. Who is responsible for laying down procedure to handle hazardous substances? The answer is, central government is responsible for laying down procedure to handle hazardous substances. Question number 3. Which chapter of Factories Act, 1948 provides for legal management of hazardous industries? The answer is, Chapter 4 of Factories Act, 1948 of Factories Act, 1948 provides for legal management of hazardous industries. Question number 4. Which article of Indian Constitution guarantees protection of life and personal liberty? The answer is, Article 21 of the Indian Constitution guarantees protection of life and personal liberty. Question number 5. Which gas has the highest concentration in our environment? The answer is, concentration of nitrogen gas is the highest in our environment. Question number 6. Which is the most serious environmental effect posed by hazardous wastes? The answer is, contamination of groundwater is the most serious environmental effect posed by hazardous wastes. Question number 7. Describe the principal characteristics of environment. The answer is, 1. At any instant, the environment of any area is the sum total of all biotic elements and the abiotic elements around them. 2. The three basic components that constitute the structure of the environment are the biome, habitat and energy. Question number 8. List the components of the environment. The answer is, the environment consists of the three components: 1. Abiotic components, 2. Biotic components, 3. Energy components. Question number 9. What does the abiotic component of the environment consists of? The answer is, the abiotic component of the environment consists of the lithosphere, the atmosphere and the hydrosphere. Question number 10. What are the causes of environmental change? The answer is, the main causes of the environment change are, first, ecospheric influences, second, cosmic influences and, third, geological influences. Question number 11. Describe the principal constituents of Earth. The answer is, first, the lithosphere, which is the outer skin of the Earth, made up of rocks and minerals. Second, the atmosphere, which is the gas or vapor envelope around the Earth. Third, the hydrosphere, which is the liquid portion of the Earth, including the water vapor of the atmosphere, the water present in oceans, seas, rivers and lakes, and the water present in rocks. And fourth, the biosphere, which is the world of living organisms that dwell on land, in water and in the air that we breathe. Question number 12. List the two rival theories explaining the origin of the universe. The answer is, the first theory is the Big Bang theory or the superdense and the other is the steady state or the continuous creation theory. Question number 13. How to control noise pollution. The answer is, there are numerous methods that can help to control the noise pollution. The source of noise must be reduced. The origin of transmission of sound must be stopped and the receiver of noise must be safeguarded. 1. The amount of traffic must be reduced near the residential homes, educational institutions and hospitals. 2. The industries must be constructed away from the residential areas and the legal laws must be established and observed to protect the humans from noise pollution. 3. And, most importantly, a general awareness program to educate the people must be done at every place possible. Question number 14. What is pollution control? The answer is, pollution control is defined as a term used in environmental management. It means the control of emissions and effluents into air, water or soil. Question number 15. What are the major causes of pollution? The answer is, the burning of coal greatly contributes to air pollution because the smoke coming from factories, chimneys, wood burning and vehicles releases sulfur dioxide into the air. A major cause of water pollution is disposal of industrial waste in the ocean. Question number 16. What are the effects of noise pollution? The answer is, it affects the general health and hearing power of the human beings. The high intensity of noise and its continued use can cause injury to the ears. It may lead to the permanent loss of hearing. A large explosion can cause the injury to tympanic membrane. It also may cause anxiety and stress, which may lead to the fright. Question number 17. How to control radioactive pollution? The answer is, the radioactive pollution can be controlled by numerous ways. It includes the stoppage of leakage from the radioactive materials, including the nuclear reactors, industries and laboratories. The disposal of radioactive material must be safe and secure. They must be kept in safe places and must be changed into harmless form. Question number 18. What is salinization of soil? The answer is, the increase in concentration of salts in soil which are soluble lead to the process of salination. Question number 19. What are the factors responsible for salinization of soil? The answer is, salinization of soil depends on many factors. The poor drainage of soil leads to the accumulation of salts on the surface of soil. It may happen during floods. The quality of irrigation water also plays a crucial role. Question number 20. How will you control soil pollution? The answer is, there are numerous factors which control the soil pollution. First, it includes the judicial use of fertilizers and pesticides. Second, the biological control method must be known and implemented. Third, the cattle grazing must be controlled and forest management should be done properly. Fourth, the afforestation and reforestation must be done. Lastly, the mining ways must be improved along with their transportation. The organizations should keep in mind that mining area must not be left barren and dry. Question number 21. What is a pollutant? The answer is, a pollutant is defined as a waste material that pollutes air, water or soil. Three factors determine the severity of a pollutant. 1. Its chemical nature. 2. The concentration. 3. The persistence. Question number 22. What is the meaning of industrial pollution? The answer is, industrial pollution is defined as the contamination of the environment by businesses, particularly plants and factories, that dump waste products into the air and water. Industrial waste is one of the largest contributors to the global pollution problem, endangering people and the environment. Question number 23. What is titration? The answer is, titration is defined as a process to calculate the molarity of a base or an acid. In this process, a reaction is carried out between the known volumes of a solution with a known concentration, against the known volume of a solution with an unknown concentration. Question number 24. Explain, what is the difference between fractionation and distillation? The answer is, fractionation, this technique is used when the boiling point of chemicals are close to each other in the mixtures, whereas, distillation, this technique is used when the boiling point of chemicals are different in the mixtures. Question number 25. What is the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act? The answer is, Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1974 is a comprehensive legislation that regulates agencies or organizations responsible for checking on water pollution and ambit of pollution control boards both at the center and states. Question number 26. Explain the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1981? The answer is, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1981, also known as the Air Act, is an act to provide for the prevention, control and abatement of air pollution and for the establishment of boards at the central and state levels with a view to carry out the aforesaid purposes. Question number 27. Describe the Environment Protection Act, 1986? The answer is, the Environment Protection Act, 1986, also known as the Environment Act, provides for the protection and improvement of environment. The Environment Protection Act develops the framework for studying, planning and implementing long-term requirements of environmental safety and laying down a system of speedy and adequate response to situations threatening the environment. Question number 28. What do you know about hazardous wastes management, handling and transboundary rules, 2008? The answer is, hazardous wastes management, handling and transboundary rules, 2008, brought out a manual for manufacture, storage and import of hazardous chemicals and for management of hazardous wastes. Question number 29. Explain the biomedical waste management and handling rules, 1998? The answer is, Biomedical Waste, Management and Handling, Rules, 1998, were formulated along parallel lines, for proper disposal, segregation, transport, etc., of infectious wastes. Question number 30, what is the aim of Municipal Solid Wastes, Management and Handling, Rules, 2000? The answer is, Municipal Solid Wastes, Management and Handling, Rules, 2000, aim at enabling municipalities to dispose municipal solid waste in a scientific manner. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.